The find and replace tools are found on the home ribbon at the end. So I'm still on the home ribbon, and right at the end over here in the editing group, we've got the find button and the replace button. The find button is used to find words in a document, and the replace button is to find a word and replace it with a new word or a different word. Click on the find button, and I'm going to search for the word meeting. And if you see here, there's 5 occurrences of the word meeting. On the left hand side, this is your navigation pane for the find tool. And within the document, it's highlighted the word in yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm now going to search for a word and replace it. So I can go into the replace button, click on the find tab, and I'm going to find the word Bloomsfield. There are no occurrences of the word Bloomsfield. I'm going to try it again, but this time type the word Bloomfield. And I'm going to replace it with the word Broomfield. I'll do replace all, and it made 1 replacement.